Ballyhoo Family Campground is our go-to campground when we come back to the Crossville area. One of the things that we like about this campground is we feel like we are in a park when we're here. The grounds are very well kept and the owners are constantly working, mowing and trimming and improving. Every time we come back here, there's something new and wonderful. There is a lake for fishing, which is catch and release. There are 50 amp sites, 30 amp cabins, and then there are also tent sites. The office building houses men's and ladies' restrooms that include showers, and there are washers and dryers available. A pavilion for large gatherings, volleyball, a playground for the kids, rest areas for the adults, and disc golf. The owners have created a really nice 9-hole disc golf course on the property. It's especially nice because it's an easy course to play and you can get out there and play 1 or 2 holes or whatever you feel like playing. I highly recommend giving this sport a try if you come to Ballyhoo. Tell me what your inspiration was for creating the
Todd
course.
got talking to me about it one day, and he helped me lay out a quick one, and then I just kept adding to it till we ended up with this 9 holes.
Had you ever played disc golf before?
Not until Todd talked me into it.
Okay. If you have a large group that wants to camp in tents, the disc golf course also doubles as a large campsite area. Fourth of July means fireworks, and you won't be left out if you stay at Ballyhoo. Stanley puts on a really nice fireworks display. So the next time you're coming through the Crossville area in Tennessee, be sure to check out the Ballyhoo Family Campground. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and leave comments below. And be sure to click on the bell icon so you will be notified when we release a new video. Thanks for watching.